To achieve this technique, go to your UV editor. If I show the unwrap, the parts that are being affected by the shader are within this alpha. If I go over here to my shoulder armor, the faces that are selected are also within the alpha. If I remove the unwrap, you can see that there are two colors here. One's a mix and the other is erasing the alpha. If I go over to my texture paint, click up here and sample this color, you can see its value is very low. It is 0.102. If I strike across like that, you can see it appear on the model. And then all I have to do is go back into my paintbrush, click Erase Alpha, and erase it along this line. Now if I go back, modify the shader, you can see that brush stroke is now taking the effect of the shader. If you are unfamiliar with creating materials, it's easy. All you have to do is click your material properties, click the plus, click New. We'll go ahead and delete this principled BSDF, or actually we'll apply an image texture first. Now that I have my texture applied, I can bring it back like so, delete principled BSDF, add a color ramp, add an add shader, attach my add shader to the material output, attach color to here, attach my alpha to the factor, and then the color to the add. And now all I need to do is take this away, and I have this. Whose color I can change. And I can turn this value down to get that color. And there you have it. Of course, the reason it's not showing up on my entire mesh is that I need to set each of these pieces to also have the same shader material, which is not too difficult. And that's really all there is to it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, just go ahead and feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Now that I have my texture applied,